So, you're gonna learn about the expressions of making reservation and appointment. Are you ready? Reservation is an arrangement that you make with a restaurant, hotel, or travel agent so they hold a table, a room, or a seat for use at a certain time in the future. Reservation has advantages which our customers feel confident knowing the prices, taxes, service duration, and payment options right away. This way, they will learn all appointment-related details and payment methods at the time of booking. There are many things to consider, and our decisions tend to be based on factors like travel budget, style, needs, location, and more. And just when we thought we had booked the perfect hotel that suits our criteria, we realized that it was not even close to our expectations, and we wished we had done better research. An appointment is an arrangement to meet someone at a particular time and place. It can be formal and informal. So this is an example in dialogue.
Good afternoon. This is Capitol Hotels in Washington, D.C. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to schedule a reservation for this upcoming weekend from Friday night until Sunday.
Sure. Let me check and see what rooms are available. Do you need a room with one bed or two?
My wife and I will be visiting the city, but a room with one bed will be just fine.
All right. It looks like we have several rooms available. Would you care for a room with a balcony?
A single room with no balcony will suit our needs just fine. I did notice on your website that you have a pool and an exercise room. Are these facilities available for all hotel guests?
Yes, all hotel guests are allowed access to those facilities. The hotel stay also includes breakfast. We have a restaurant on site that also serves lunch and dinner, but those meals are not included in your lodging fee.
Okay, that's fine. What time are both check-in and check-out?
Check-in for you on Friday can be any time after 3 p.m. Check-out will be on Sunday before noon.
Sounds great.
I am glad that I could help you today. Is there anything else that you need at this point in time?
Would you like my credit card information now, or can I take care of that upon my arrival to the hotel's reception desk?
We can handle payment upon your arrival on Friday. We look forward to seeing you then.
Thank you. I look forward to my stay.
Enjoy the rest of your week.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage flame. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, they seem impossible to score. So I dream of just long to find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, you're whisking me. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met, moves on me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage.
These are the expressions in making a call or responding a call.
Dream.
This is the expression if you can't hear, when you don't understand, when you are not sure.